Friends, in this episode, we're going to talk about what good news USCIS is offering to you and to everyone who has applied for an immigration benefit. Now, welcome to Green Card Guys TV. I'm your host, John Ting. We represent clients in all 50 states of America, from the East Coast to the West Coast, from the Eastern Hemisphere to the Western Hemisphere. What we want to talk about is that USCIS has extended their deadlines, and really saying that, let's say you receive a request for evidence or a notice of intent to deny, or even an N14. It's basically like a request for evidence after your N400 interview, citizenship naturalization interview. Now, you'll get an extra 60 days on top of the deadline that's already stated. So if they give you, for example, 30 days from the date on the letter, then you'll get 60 days on top of that. This is for any letter that you received from March 1st, 2020 until June, the end of June, that'd be June 30th, 2021. So it's a very good thing that they're doing because of the pandemic. They've extended this for you. Now, I want to share a story about the N336. The government is supposed to respond and give you a new interview within 6 months. Now, if they don't do that, then that's when we sue the government. And we've had a couple cases like this during the pandemic in 2020. Because of the pandemic, we were actually able to get it approved. There was not even a rehearing. So the one thing I wanted you to take away from this is that if you do have the opportunity to file this form because you believe you actually are eligible for this to become a citizen, naturalized citizen, then you need to file that form. Every situation is different. But in some scenarios, you want to do that because it's a shorter time frame that they have to give you a new hearing in 180 days. Because if you decide to file a new application, that can take another 12 months, right? So especially depending where you are. Most cases are taking at least 12 months to even have the interview notice from the time of filing. So if you do have a situation, again, 400 has been denied, then you need to file an N336 as soon as possible. Now, in terms of N336 or I-290B, those two forms, those are used when you have received a negative decision on your N400 naturalization application to become a citizen, or for example, I-290B is after you file the I-130 or I-45. So if you received either those two, the response deadline is different. It's 60 days total from the date on the letter. So the date on the decision, okay? So which is basically the date on the letter. Sometimes the letters don't have dates for some odd reason. It's on the top left corner. The 60 days rule is different than what I mentioned earlier. What I mentioned earlier is 60 days on top in addition to the allotted time frame for the deadline. So keep in mind, that's two different situations. If you're not quite too sure, but you received the letter recently, give us a call down below. Okay, you can call us or text us. You also can fill out the intake form down below. It starts with Team Law. That's our URL for intake form. And we're happy to help you. Our cares team will contact you within the next business day. Friends, you know about this. We've offered this on our live shows. We're offering you free 15 minutes because you're a subscriber to our YouTube channel and possibly following us on Facebook page. If you're not following us there, go ahead and click our Facebook page. We greatly appreciate it. Information is down below in the description box. And when you do call in for your free 15 minutes, give them the code, our cares team, our secret code, Green Card Guys. That really lets us know that you subscribe to our channel and follow us. Greatly appreciate it. And the way to call in is you can call or text this number, and our cares team will get in contact with you within the next business day. You can call it a consultation, but really we're trying to just guide you to the next step, see how we can help you. Now, of course, if there's a way our firm can represent you, we would love that opportunity, but our main thing is, want to help answer your one or two questions because sometimes that's all you have, so we're here to help you. Friends, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and gently hit the like button. That lets us know and also YouTube know that you enjoy our content. Until next time, friends, continue wearing a mask.